Your computer can seem perfectly normal, right up until the moment your hard drive fails. 1 second, everything is there. The next, your files may be out of reach. When a drive begins to fail, every second matters. Slow startup, files that will not open, clicking or grinding sounds, frequent freezing, folders suddenly disappearing. These symptoms are not just inconvenient. They may be signs that your data is already at risk. When a hard drive starts failing, the worst thing you can do is keep using it. Do not keep restarting the computer. Do not keep opening files. Do not keep trying random fixes. Every extra attempt can make the damage worse and lower the chances of recovering your data. The safest move is to stop using the device and get professional help. Data recovery is not guesswork. It is a careful process. The drive has to be evaluated. The damage has to be understood. And the safest recovery method has to be chosen. The goal is simple: recover as much data as possible without making the situation worse. A failed drive can hold years of important information: business documents, customer records, family photos, financial files, projects, emails, and personal data. When that information matters, recovery is about more than the device. It is about getting back what you cannot easily replace. Data recovery can help after a failure, but the best protection starts before anything goes wrong. A reliable backup keeps important files in more than one place: business records, personal documents, photos, projects, everything you cannot afford to lose. A failed drive should not mean losing everything. If your computer stops working, your drive begins making unusual sounds, or important files suddenly disappear, stop using the device. Do not keep restarting it. Do not keep trying random fixes. Call East Carolina Computers. The sooner the drive is evaluated, the better the chance of recovering what matters.